TaxMemory.ai was built to solve the biggest problems tax professionals run into while using AI. Generic tools like ChatGPT forget your clients, hallucinate tax citations, and never tell you what to do next. We fixed all of that. At the core of TaxMemory.ai is client memory. We give you 300 memory slots, one dedicated to each client. All of their information is stored, always up to date, and ready the moment you need it. Whenever you update a client file, the memory updates automatically. Each slot holds a complete client dossier, entity type, tax years, open items, deadlines, and a full interaction history. Whenever you ask a tax question, TaxMemory.ai returns an answer grounded in primary tax law authority like IRC sections, rulings, or court cases. Then it cross-checks every citation against a live web search, so you never have to second-guess the advice you give your clients. TaxMemory.ai also gives you actionable next steps with every response. So you're not just getting answers, you're getting a game plan. Dedicated client memory, double-verified cited tax research, and a clear next move, all in one place. And when you're ready to act on it, TaxMemory.ai can draft the client email for you. Because our goal has always been simple: save you time, save you energy, and remove the small frustrations that quietly drain your day. Now let me show you the actual product. The UI is simple. If you've ever used ChatGPT, you will feel right at home. Click TaxMemory.ai on the left and you get a chat box along with a drop-down menu showing all of your saved conversations. Let me open a fresh chat and walk you through onboarding a new client. I have an email from an S-Corp that wants help with filing and has a tax question. We'll copy this email, type "onboard this client," and paste it into the chat. It immediately creates a dedicated dossier for this client, then it answers their tax question, cites the primary authority, lays out the next steps, and asks us if we want it to draft the response email. From there, I just prompt it. Great, can you write a response email that I can send to them with that information and tell them we want to work with them? And just like that, the email is written and ready to send. If the draft isn't quite right, just tell it what to change and it'll update instantly. But this one nailed it on the first try. It even knew which documents to request from the client. We copy, paste, and send. In just a couple minutes, we onboarded a new client, answered their tax question with cited authority, laid out the next steps, and sent a professional reply. That's why tax professionals are switching to TaxMemory.ai. Get more done in less time. For batch importing clients, just drop a CSV file into the chat and type, "Import all of these clients into our system." And just like that, it's done. To switch to a client, just ask. Let's type, "Switch to Noah Patel, please." And his full dossier loads instantly so we can interact with it. I ask, "Tell me what we need from him," and TaxMemory.ai pulls everything outstanding from his file and lays it out. I ask, "Okay, great, can you write an email asking for the necessary documents?" And it writes one on the spot. We copy, paste, and send Noah a professional follow-up to keep his file moving forward. Having everything consolidated in one place helps us stay organized and efficient. Now let's view our full client roster. We'll type, "Pull up a list of our current clients and what we need for each one of them." A chart comes back instantly with every client and every outstanding item. You can see Blue Oak Digital Advisors right there, which is the client we onboarded just a few minutes ago, already logged and ready to work with. But for now, let's go ahead and export the full client list by asking, "Export that as a PDF, please." And just like that, it delivers a clean, downloadable file on the spot. TaxMemory.ai can read any file type you give it and export any file type you need. That means it can instantly analyze any file, including this 50-page tax return, and give us a summary in seconds. One more thing before we go. Let me show you the web verification in action on 2 quick questions. State level first. A client asked this question: "How should I answer it? I moved from California to Texas mid-year while working remotely. How do I file my state returns?" We get a plain language answer, web-verified citation, and a clickable link to the source. Now federal. Another client asked me this question: "I converted IRA funds to Roth, but I have basis from non-deductible contributions. How does the pro-rata rule work?" And again, we get a clean, simple answer with double-checked authority citations. We built TaxMemory.ai because tax professionals deserve an AI that actually understands their work. Reliable answers, persistent client memory, verified citations, and next steps every time. Everything you need in one place, built different from the ground up. We look forward to working with you.